If you're a graphic designer or illustrator, this is how you take a not so exciting project and turn it into a sexy project. This is the work of designer, illustrator, and just badass creative, Amira Lynn. Amira was actually one of the first people to sign up for the portfolio reviews that I offer, and that was a long time ago, so I can't take credit for any of the work that she's created or her portfolio website since then. But I very clearly remember that during that portfolio review, we talked about this very thing. And at that time, we were looking at these illustrations that she had done, I think for a school project, that were essentially just big, tall posters that she had on her portfolio website. This was a series, and so she had a couple of these. Each of these posters had a wonderful unifying quality about them, obviously through the color palette and the style of illustration, but they also had these very intricate details that she took her time creating. And so because these were on her website in very tall images that you had to scroll to see the whole thing into view, I had asked Amira during our portfolio review if she ever considered taking some of the elements that were similar to each other throughout all the posters and separating them out entirely. For example, with all of these posters, she has these wonderful arrangements of type. And could you just make an image just showing all of the different marks that she created? This pork roll, egg and cheese sandwich in a hand. Can you just separate that out and just focus on just the detail of that illustration? She has a ton of moments where she does hand-drawn typography, and can you just make an image just focusing on all of those pieces? And you can apply this method to all types of campaigns that may not be so exciting. Email marketing campaigns, digital ads, there are most likely elements in all of those end deliverables that you can separate out and focus on to really show your expertise and your skill. Let me know what you think about this method in the comments, and if you have any other tips, leave them there as well. And if you want more tips on all things design and your portfolio website, then make sure you like this video and follow me. My hand is shaking.